Oh, it's a legit shape.
Oh, you're a Dolly Roger.
Hey.
Oh, this is gonna be
Hell yeah, that
thing is awesome.
Yeah, it's actually not bad.
yeah, it's cool. For 4 grown men on there, yeah. Not bad.
That's fun.
You didn't have to worry about me unanswered.
Best in the park.
Guys, you can lift up on your lap,